and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Game Wars. So guys, I hope you will like it, and if you know my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. So let's start the review now. So let's start the further review. Disclaimer: this video is educational purpose only. It is not my financial advice. It is not a financial advice. Please do your own research. You can make foreign investor. Here you can see this amazing platform like that. Listen to me because I am DJ Trump. Here you can see this. You can hold this token and make money online. And I will get to the power. Here you can see. You can check out this video and you can enjoy and enjoy and enjoy. Here you can see this amazing video like that. Here you can see an unlimited song to enjoy the sound of DJ or listen to on it. Here you can see this Spotify, Apple and Amazon. Here you can see welcome to the webs of DJ Trump. Join the account and have some fun with their unique meme token. This token is not talking at said the DJ Trump token is deserted to breaking hamper and good webs to the created balance sell in the United States. Here you can see all of you can check out all of information. This project real unique and massive potential inside. Here you can see this absolutely in time when unfortunately some people think variance in the solution. Let's be say to not available. Yes, to partial way to the show and how and what your sport. One way is music. So let's start. Get ready to part end. Here you can see this chill with DJ Trump. Here you can see this music for the people. Here you can see this like that nice profile picture, nice music, and you can like it. And here you can see this tech tool information, dex scanner, and you can must be social community like that. You can follow me. And here you can see this read for more Webers and then stay tuned and prepare yourself for a lot of more sound of the day. First album will be released soon. Get ready and make your palette great again. Here you can see this like that nice profile like that. A special message from DJ Trump. A welcome from to the DJ. Here you can see this music. You can read out this music.
Thanks for visiting my fantastic DJ site. I've been saying for years, keep DJs in America.
You can
keep
see
DJs
and you
in
can
America.
check out.
You know, I've spoken to many friends of mine.
Here you can see this DJ Trumponomics. Here you can see tokenomics information. Here you can see this total supply 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, 100 billion total supply. Name DJ Trump, stickered DJ Trump. Here you can see this network base ETH, ERC20 and Dynamics. Here you can see this tax information. Contact your wallet. Here you can see this amazing like that profile picture. You can check out. Here you can see this contact address. You can copy this contact address and make money online. Some quick like for the chat and buy. Here you can see this DEX tool, Uniswap and DEX scanner. Also you can check it all of information. So here you can see this information. The meme token is the second launched by the Wolfcoin community. Are you ready, party? Here you can see this party time and like that nice profile and roadmap. Here you can see this roadmap, launch date, and here you can see this first contact, next step, stop, and upcoming contact. Here you can see this again like that profile picture and how to buy. Here you can see this like that. You don't have a wallet? Yes, no problem. First do your own research to see your watch wallet may forward your personal needs. Here you can see this for BSC Athene trade. We recommended contact your wallet. The concept wallet for the mobile phones or the browser extension provide support for the busy air. You can see of difficult and as well as here you can see you can read out all of information how to buy this token and make money online. Here you can see this Uniswap information. You can check out this Uniswap information. Here you can see this contact address like that. Here you can see this tutorial video on a YouTube. You can this official link in my video description. Join the webs of DJ Trump. Say yes, this is a meme token to spread joy, fun, music, and respect journey. The community to of the new DJ Trump token is a versatile way to bring ham and clarity to the creative extension cycle. Here you can see and buy crafting fun songs, music, special and poetry. And Trump is a matterful DJ to spoken. Can you assist the left first? Here you can see this all of information. You go to the webs and you are more information. Join us over your goal. Here you can see this social media's community. This official link in my video description. Here you can see this disclaimer. Attention potential investor in a meme coin and key points to the consider. And here you can see this buy to the top and you can contact this official mail. Here you can see this Uniswap. You can first of all I understand this token, and here you can see this trading graph like that, and here you can swap this token. First of all you can contact this wallet and is you include MetaMask and you can easily contact this wallet, select your amount and connect your wallet, and you can buy this DJ Trump token and hold this token and make money online. Here you can this social community like that. This is official Telegram community. This official link in my video description. This project real unique massive potential inside, and here you can see this Trump music information like that, Apple Music, and you can check out this all of information. Here you can see this the Twitter official community. You can must be follow this Twitter official community. Here you can see this all of information. Next listing request for a success field in the request from a coin market cap request. Here you can see this like that nice profile picture. You can see this profile and like that you can see this post and make money online. You can must be follow this social media's account like that, Twitter, Telegram, and all of official community. Here you can see this DEX rule, DEX scanner information like that. Here you can see this coin market cap price वगैरह you can check out, and here you can see this trading graph like that, and here you can see this transaction history detail also you can check it. And here you can see this DEX tool information. You can check out this trading graph as well as here you can see the first one you can contact this wallet, and here you can see this market cap price, liquidity, circle supply, holders, and total market cap. Here you can see this total supply like that, and here you can see this again transaction detail you can check it. And here you can see this base again information, and here you can see this you can hold this token and make money online. This project is real unique and massive potential inside. Here you can see this again, you can check out this transaction detail also. Well, here you can see this all of information. So guys, like that this profile and you like this project DJ Trump, listen to me because I am DJ Trump. So guys, I hope you like this video. See you next video. Thanks for watching.